the two. Oh, sorry. Oh, they didn't put a sticker on it.
Yeah, mine.
Oh my. The mango tastes better than the matcha strawberry. Consensus, that one's better. I want this today. Pan-fried shrimp noodle. And big wide handful noodles. Yeah, I love my thick noodles. Big. Yeah. This is basically crab chow. Huh? Yeah, that's why I didn't want that. I like that. This one is the Dong Ding Oolong Tea Latte with boba. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have gotten that sugar. Still good though. I think my mom would like it because it's not that sweet. And this one is the just your regular bubble milk tea. That's good. It's not sweet. Very tea heavy. Yeah, anyway, after going uptown, we got back to our hotel room and then we decided to go on a Big food run. Big food run. So tonight we're just gonna rest now. It's about like 8:30, 9 p.m. And then tomorrow, wake up, get some food, and head back to California. Yay. Bye-bye. This should be the curry fish balls. No, these are the curry fish balls, and this is the...
No. Actually, I can't even tell. I can't even smell the curry.
One of them is curry, one of them is...
Oyster.
oyster. Yeah.
Curry.
This one's the curry.
I'm pretty sure.
It looks like curry. Cheers. Thank you.
Huh?
It's fine. This is the oyster one.
So this one's the curry one.
Yeah.
Oh. When they say like the flavor, it's more for the fish ball, not the... Because it's not in like this thing. It's only in the fish ball. It's curry.
Oh, it's not in this thing? Oh. They're both good. We went to 2 more places. One for some roasted pork over rice, and more rice noodle with shrimp this time. Yeah. Oh, there's cabbage in these. There's cabbage, half rice, half cabbage under the pork. I want to dump it all in.
Okay.
That's good too. Got a large this time. Wow. And that concludes my New York vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching my trip with my brother to New York City. Stay tuned for more, and yeah, bye-bye.